Oh, hey everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Out here in the wood shop today, as you can see, we have quite a few holiday markets, events coming up really soon. I have a lot of utensils, coasters, business card holders, tiny bowls, but I don't have any spatula shapes. We're gonna have to make some. So I thought I'd take you guys along today for the journey. Maybe you can figure out how to make a spatula as well. Check it out. Alright, so got this gorgeous freaking piece of walnut here. Doesn't look like much, but a little sample here. This is pretty thick. I'm actually gonna break this down a little further. So I kinda need a straight edge start, right? Alright, that's pretty much all we need to get started. Put this to the bandsaw. I know what you guys are thinking. When is the spatula round? What's this kid doing? But
the number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...
alright, so looks like we got, I would say we got ourselves a proper blank. So, now what? Almost looks like we can get 2 out of this. But we don't do that. So, got a grain going this way. Grain going that way. I'm going to kind of take a deep dive. I'm going to try to come back out somewhere in there. All the way up. Bam. Going for leverage. Alright, so we went ahead and took as much as we are comfortable with on the bandsaw. So now, time to refine that a bit. You want to kind of pay attention to everywhere this grain is headed. And I find it's just super easy to go right at all these little peaks. A mistake I've made many times. Don't get too excited with your bandsaw, guys. You can take off just too much here where you get to that point of carving and then all of a sudden you're in the zone, get going. Oh, I went against the grain. Crap, now I have to take even more. So you take too much off on that bandsaw, kind of screwed. You can always take more off with the knife, guys, little by little. It is worth having to carve that little bit more opposed to already having spent time breaking down a blank, going through usable nice wood that you carefully chose, and then what? You just freaking you have to start over. Well, that's not good. Getting somewhere. Let's see. Alright. Got a lot of the carving meat taken off. Now, I think we should give the spatula some scooping power. Seems pretty durable so far. Alright, so we've gone pretty far. I think I'm at a point where I'm just going to go sculpting. Start off with a 80 grit pad, no holes. Alright, now where should we go from here? Take a little sandpaper there. Alright,